puppy. Look at this puppy. Look at this puppy. Look at this puppy. Look at this puppy. We're at the Mountain Research Station and we are parked and we're waiting for some other folks with some trucks because we have to go a little ways up this gated road.
Yeah, well, they gotta go up there.
Alright, we're at the parking spot. We have solar panels, some instruments, more instruments. Here's the trucks. The road got a little rough, but not too bad for an appropriate vehicle. We'll be walking that way and hanging a right and going to the tower.
Thank you. First thing we need, the impact driver with the battery on it.
Here is a tower. Oh.
Spin it around the thing, up and down about 4. Squeeze it on.
Seek. And it does all that. You just take a picture and we'll tell you if it's...
Seek, like looking to find something.
Yeah.
Not the jagged edge of the lock washer that gives you the lock, it's the tension of compression, right? So if you don't put the washer there, that bites into your machined surface and can damage it, which, is bad in aircraft and aerospace, they say.
It is, but
I'm with you. When it's steel, like if I'm working on my plow, yeah, no flat washers need applied.
Yeah, right.
Just lock that lock washer and tighten it until just before it breaks. Is that it? Yeah. Mine looks like that in the back because they said flat.
No, they...
Alright.
Why don't you help get this rock on the...
Remove that shelf, but
Okay.
in other words, we need to get this area clear all the way around so we can run the bead of caulking. Once we get it pretty close to where it's going to go. We good?
Right.
How's everything look? Do you see
Looks
any
good.
big holes underneath? Any gaps? Looks like it's gonna sit square. Looks like we killed it.
Okay, let's
Awesome.
tilt it to the north. Put that down.
Yeah, tip towards the sky.
Okay. Let's might be lower. Got it. I got it.
Got it? Yep. Okay, there you go. Get out of your way.
Down?
Yeah, try to, set it down in one swoop if you can, but if we have to scoot a little, that's like...
It looks good on
Put
this
that
side.
somewhere near the bucket, but don't get that out of that bucket and get... These are 7/16, right? Are these not the right size? These are half inch. Yeah.
we looking, safety officer? Huh?
Yep. Yeah, Dana's got a knockout kit or a KO kit. Yeah, it's what do you call it? Punch out kit. Oh, you know, cuts a nice clean hole. Better than a hole saw.
I forgot my shovel today. I got a great hose.
Logan, make it damn do your job, buddy. At least grab the back.
Out with all the dirt on it.
Yeah. So 12 by 16 by 1 will cover
Hey,
the
would you get your,
So,
louvered holes.
you just want the filter size, 12 by 16 by 1? Or?
well, if we
I
want,
measured 16 3/8 long.
see, my plan, if we
Okay.
want to close these up, right? Because
Yeah.
the MRS is really adamant that we don't have any of these louvers, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So my plan would be to cut a piece of stainless steel or aluminum or something,
Yeah.
and just the exact same size as the outside dimensions of
Mhm.
this, and then you just put it in there with a little bit of window weather stripping on
Yeah.
it to seal up against the cabinet,
Yeah.
right? And then this just holds it in place. And
Yeah.
there's no
Maybe go just a hair bigger, maybe. Quarter, maybe 5/8.
The filter door, filter cover.
Well, wait a minute. No. Quarter. Well, what is that? 5/16. 16 and 5/16, I guess.
16.
And
What do you
5/16.
got, William?
And let's do this way.
Oh, bring that over here with you. That's part of their lightning system.
That's
You
like
guys could just gather all that up and throw it on a pallet.
12 inches and a 16th. 12 inches and like 1/16.
Hey boys, come on for the pictures.
You can take it.
You can take it.
If you see any, well, we can take turns.
And here it is. Beautiful. There's our tower. The quality goes in before the name goes on. Alright, beautiful. Here's the tower. We're trying to figure out
Yep.
how high it is to the bottom of the guy wire. There are 3 sections of roan to the bottom of the guy wire. Alright, we are done. It's 11:09 and we are done. Well, box. There's the tower.